So let's dive in the video without wasting any time. You need to go on settings. Here go on system, and here you need to find troubleshoot. There you go, and here other troubleshooters, or you can recommend troubleshooter preference. You can also turn it on to run automatically, don't notify me, or run automatically then notify me. Then here other troubleshooters. You used to have a different option for keyboard, now it is not. Then you need to go over here, program compatibility troubleshoot, and click on run this. In some cases it will fix your keyboard problem, and if not, let's dive into the another section. And then the next step will be, you need to right click on the start menu, go on device manager. It will show you all the drivers in your PC. Maximize it. Here go and find keyboard, and there is my keyboard driver. Right click on and go to update driver. Here go and browse my computer for drivers. Here go, like me pick from a list, and here click on it and go next, and let your driver be installed and updated. After that it will ask you to restart your PC. Then restart your PC, and if does not work, you need to right click on it again and go and uninstall driver, and it will ask you again to restart your PC, and you need to restart your PC after that again. And if you are still getting the same issue, you need to go on settings. Here go and find Windows Update. Here you can see Windows Update. You need to check for updates, and if it's already up to date, then it's okay. And if the update has come and you haven't updated your device, just update it and then restart your PC. If this will not work, you need to check it hardwarely in any store. You can go and check your keyboard if some keys are actually dead or not installed. Thanks, have a nice day, and I hope it will fix your problem.